What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So my taillights here on my 2018 Grand Cherokee, I'm going to be replacing the bulb with an LED bulb so they're brighter, especially at night, because the LED ring around that area is bright, but with the just halogen bulb it really kind of blends in at night, and so I wanted something a lot brighter to help compensate for the LED ring. And so I'll be replacing the halogen bulb with these Auxito super bright red turn signals for the right and left hand side, and so I'm excited to see how much brighter they are. Stay tuned. So to get the whole tail light assembly out, all you need is to remove these little pins right here, and you can take a screwdriver. I just use this little screwdriver to wedge in the little crevice there to get behind it a little bit. And that pops out. And you can just take it with your hand. That pulls out, and then put that up there. That pulls out with it. And then to get the other one, same process. You just put the flathead screwdriver side right in the crevice there. Pull that whole thing out with your fingers. And then just pull the assembly out. I should have you guys on a tripod, but it's okay. So grab the front of this here, grab the back of it, and just kind of wiggle it out like that, and then it just kind of comes out. And the taillight bulb is this top one right here. So what you're gonna do is just turn it counterclockwise, and then it just comes out like that. Here's the bulb it comes with, and then I'm going to be replacing it with these bulbs right here. This one right here. So hopefully it fits, because the other one did not. These are 3156, and I had ordered, I can't remember what specific number, but it wasn't these. So let me see if I can hold the phone and put the bulb in at the same time. Here, I'm just gonna put it out. Okay, so that popped right in. It's secure. Let me turn on, let me get the light here and just see how much brighter this is. So, you saw the right one over there, and I'll show you both of them here in a second. Look at that. That is so bright. Now let me put it in the taillight housing and see how bright it is. So to reinstall it, you just put it back in and then turn clockwise. Make sure it's snug, not going anywhere. This is where it can get a little difficult putting the taillight housing back in, because all the cords and stuff, you just want it to be nice and flush, so you just push it back and make sure there's no substantial gap between the body and the tail lamp, and then you just kind of press it, make sure the holes line up like that, and then take your pins, put this one in there, and then pop it in, and then you take this one, put it in the bottom, pop it there, and then you put this one in there. Nice and snug, all ready to go. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, look how modern that looks. So good. That compared to that.
It looks way heavier than
Way more dull over here. And then this one, look at that. That's so nice and modern. And way brighter. I don't know why they just don't do this in the factory to begin with, but it's fun modding the car. And so let's go to the right one and see the same process, and I'll catch back up with you guys when they're both installed. All right guys, so I got the passenger and the driver LED bulbs installed on my Grand Cherokee, and it looks so much better. So the driver's side, and then the passenger side. It's just so much more bold and bright and modern looking. It looks so much better. And here it is with both of them. So much better looking. It looks better in person even. There's a little bit of a glare from the sun today, but highly, highly, highly recommend these Auxito LED bulbs for your vehicle. If you have a Grand Cherokee, that's awesome, or any other vehicle you have. Auxito is great. I also have Auxito reverse lights as well, just right there and right there on the inner and outer, and it looks so much better when it's in reverse. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. This is what the reverse lights look like from Auxito. So nice, so much brighter, especially at night backing up in like parking lots. Looks so much more modern. Here they both are. So I highly, highly, highly recommend an LED upgrade to your vehicle if they came with halogen. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, please subscribe, like this video, share it if this is helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.